The Earth is made mostly of water, accounting for 75% of it. While much of it is unexplored, the areas we do know of are extraordinary. One of the most fascinating parts of our oceans, however, are the sheer depth at which they descend. No human can travel to the bottom of the ocean, but we have the tools that allow us to calculate just how deep it is, as well as vehicles that can withstand the extreme pressure. The Maritime Show presents How Deep is the Ocean? Before we talk about the oceans themselves, let's first travel back billions of years ago. The Earth at this time was made of rock and magma, whilst constantly getting bombarded by meteors. When the Earth cooled, all of that ice trapped in those meteors went from gaseous to liquid. Over time, the Earth's geography changed due to meteor strikes, glaciers, and other natural disasters. Layers upon layers formed over the original layer of rock until the world we know today was born. Now for the real reason you came here today, the maximum known depth of the ocean. Despite common belief, the landscape of an ocean is not a gradual slope downwards from the shore, but is filled with mountains, valleys, plains, and caves, just like the surface. So naturally, the deeper parts of the ocean are the depressions along the bottom of the ocean floor. The max depth of the ocean is usually around several kilometers deep. As far as scientists know, the deepest part of the ocean is located in the Mariana Trench, 11,000 meters down, which is the equivalent of 11 kilometers or 7 miles. If you were to drop Mount Everest down the Mariana Trench, it would be completely submerged, with quite a few meters of water left over. Now I know what you're thinking. There must be something really big down there, as the deepest parts of the ocean are mostly unexplored. Fortunately or unfortunately, depending on how you look at it, there is no evidence of megalodons, Cthulhus, or any extraordinary creatures lurking down there. The only danger that humans would face is the extreme pressure, as it is strong enough to crush bone, one of the main reasons why the vast creatures of prehistory or mythology could not reside down in those depths. Rather, microscopic organisms as well as small cephalopods and fish survive in this harsh environment. That's all for today, folks. If you liked the video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for the next episode of The Maritime Show.